OBD2. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Chrysler 300. It's regular, it's a V6, but you know, ain't nothing gonna stay stock around here. I put the wheels on it already. It had some bullshit wheels. I was about to do a chrome delete video, but it started off as a fail already. So I ordered, let me show y'all. I ordered this roll, and I was about to do the doors. It's like gloss, vinyl wrap, but it don't fit on the door. Like, hold on. Let's see. It's a little weird. Like, it looked like it fit from here, but as soon as you go and put it on, it don't fit. You know what? I'm about to try it. That's kind of, I'm gonna cut a little piece off and see what I can do with that. So if I can make it fit, I got 2 of these rolls. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna cut this and see. Okay, so just like I thought. So I cut a piece of this because I had did this the first time and I didn't record it because I didn't think that it was gonna come out cool, and I was right. I fucked it up. So I did it again, and it came out good this time. But just like I thought, I cut a piece of the old one that I had right there, the first one that I did, and you could tell like it goes on, but it doesn't cover all the way on the edge, so it's not gonna look right. I'll just order the one that I need, and then I'll end up making another video for that. That way I can get the whole thing situated. But I'm gonna install this wing. I did paint the wing myself. I bought it off of I think Amazon or eBay. I think eBay. Like 80 bucks. That's how it's gonna look. I didn't stick it on there yet. And man, I hate that it's two-tone like that. I gave them the code off the door, but whatever, it's gonna have to do. The fender don't match either. It's all right. I probably will be wrapping this car though.
Stop the cap.
I'm stuck between like Nardo gray to make it like the Jeep, or probably like a gloss black, or like a moss green. It's almost like a grayish green. What y'all think? What color y'all think I should wrap it? I also had a color in mind, like a 300S orange. I'll put a picture up on the screen somewhere in here. But yeah, I put the wheels on it too. She came with some stock boys. I had to get rid of them the same day. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take all this tape off and stick it on there. I don't have a camera person with me right now or anybody to hold the phone, so I'm just gonna take the tape off and stick it on there, show you guys what it look like. I had to make some magic work back there, try to put a rag behind the phone. One more. Alright, so I tried to put it on the best as I could. Hopefully it looks good. I love the way that shit makes the back end look
Nice.
that shit definitely darker though. What y'all think? It look alright? I'm trying to think what else I could use that roll for to wrap in black. I might try to do the emblem, but I don't think that that wrap is the right one for that. Let's see what else I can do. I also got the side markers. I should throw them on there. I already got them. Let me show y'all what that look like. No, they're tinted dark, but they're supposed to light up white. See? And then all this will turn on white. I also got paddle shifters. I got a couple things. I might try to throw this on. I just gotta pull the airbag off. Let me think of what I'm gonna do. I got a couple things for this car. Alright guys, it's been 2 days later. I had to stop what I was doing because, as many of you may not know, my wife was pregnant, and over the last 2 days we had our baby. So I had to put everything to a halt. But today we're back home and they're both taking a nap, so I'm gonna take this time to install these paddle shifters and finish off this video. We're gonna be using Alfa OBD to enable these, which is also the same way how I got the SRT pages on a V6. If you want a separate video for that, I can do a separate video for that. But for today, we're gonna be doing this. So I'm gonna get the tools ready for what we need, and we're gonna install these and see if they work. Be right back. Okay, so basically you're gonna need a T20. I'm using this. If you have a socket and a ratchet, that's fine, whatever works for you. And a flathead screwdriver. It could be long, short, doesn't matter. You just want to get to the top of this and pry it from the top out. I'm gonna try to do it one hand so you guys can see. Basically, you want to put it in here and pop it out. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out and then confirm that it's a T20. Okay, so I popped it out. You basically just want to lift that right there, and then that screw is a T20. And just so you guys can see, where does it say on here? Right here, T20. And basically you're gonna do that behind the steering wheel. And you want to go to your car, make sure it's off, and you want to take the airbag out. Use one that's a little thick because there's some pins you got to push on both sides like this to pop the airbag off. Basically you want to go to these holes right here, these holes right here, and you want to put it in and basically push it. I'm gonna do that and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so you see these pins? Where we go? Right here. This pin right here is what you want to push in with the flathead. So you want to push on it right there to get them to pop out, because they sit right in here. Once you push them out, it'll pop out. And you want to disconnect the connectors by lifting up these orange tabs. Let me see if I can do it right here. One. Oh, was my finger covering it? I think so. Two. Alright. You just want to pull them out. I'm going to use a flathead. I'm going to pop them off. And this is what it looks like. You got one right there, one right there, and disconnect the harness right there. And this is what we are left with. Now you're gonna go behind the steering wheel, take off the cap, and the T20. All right guys, so once you pop it off, you wanna take off that T20 right there. I took it off already, so it should be loose like that. Then you go inside, and it's gonna be this wire right here. need to pull out. But it's this one right here. You see that little clip? Pop that off and it should come right out. Just like that. You're gonna wanna, let's see. I'm gonna take these screws out because it won't pass without getting that out. It's a little too tight, so I'm gonna loosen that, see if I could just pass it by. If not, then you're most likely gonna have to take these off, which is one here, and then there's one on the other end. All right, so I had enough space. You just take out this bolt, slide it right through the back, like that. After you lift it, come right through. Pop it off, and then hopefully we have enough space on this side now. Trial and error. I don't know, my first time doing these, guys. And it is out. I didn't take it all the way out, just loosen it a little bit, and then you see how it moves. I slid it right out. I might have to still take it all the way out just to pass it by, but I'm gonna definitely try to just snake it through. And the only difference between these and the ones with the paddle shifter is they're missing one wire, and obviously the whole paddle. But everything is already there. That connector has 3 wires already. See it? All right, guys, so I already installed one. Now, basically gonna do the other side the same exact way you did this side. You're gonna wanna take this one all the way out so you can pass this through. The one behind this, you loosen it just a little bit. You don't have to take it all the way out. Or you can slide the connector out and then install it reverse. All right, they're both installed. We're gonna put the airbag reverse order the same way we took it off. We're gonna put it back on, and then I'll connect Alfa. I already did it, but I'll show you how to do it if you didn't know how to do it. All right, so if you want to activate the paddle shifters after you install them, you're gonna need this. It's an OBD link so that you can connect to Alfa OBD. You're gonna have to buy this. This is maybe like $150, and then this is Alfa OBD. You can use it on the tablet, you can use it on the radio, you can use it on your touchscreen, Android radio, it don't matter. If it has Android, you can do it. The app is about 50 bucks, but it's well worth it. With this app, you can do the SRT pages, you can activate functions, you could do so much. But yeah, so you're gonna wanna connect this. Mine is a 16. So if you have 18 and up, you're gonna need the 12x8 cable. But since mine is plug and play, I could just plug it in and that's it. And then you're gonna wanna open the app. And then, oh snap, this phone's about to die. Well, I'll just show you guys what to do right here real quick, since I already did it anyway. Okay, you wanna go to Chrysler, and you wanna go here, select LX. Oh, Chrysler 300 LX, then you go down, body computer, and then mine is a 16, connect. I didn't plug it in. Then you're gonna, once it's connected, you go to the little car, select procedure to start. You wanna scroll all the way down, and you want to go to car configuration change. Once you go there, select option, and then you can do so much, but we want to look for paddle shifters. Paddle shifter. All right, how you doing? See, vehicle is an SRT. You can convert it, do all that. Paddle shift feature present. Then you select value, click yes, and then you'll click start, and then it'll take maybe 2-3 seconds, and then it'll say procedure completed, and boom, you'll be done. See, I added all the SRT pages already, so it comes up. But let's make sure it worked. Put it to drive. Let's see. Boom, we got paddle shifters. Nice. You guys, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Watch out for the next video. I'm gonna be doing LED side markers and a diffuser. So be on the lookout for that video. Gonna be coming soon. Gonna make this thing look a little bit more aggressive and swap that thing out. This is the one I have right here. Yeah, so stay tuned and like, comment, subscribe. If you like what you've seen, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And let me know if you made it this far into the video. Let me know what wrap you think I should go with, because I really want to change the look of this car. I've never wrapped a car, so it's going to be a learning experience for me. But I'm hands-on and I'm down to learn. Until next time.